Now we will solve question number 10. Rewrite the formula y is equal to qx by p to make x the subject. Here the subject you can see is y, but according to the question we have to make x the subject. So for doing this, question number 10, y is equal to qx by p. We have to make x the subject. So how we are going to make this? Here qx by p, it's division here, but when we take it to the we will take p to the other side of the equation, then it will be multiplied. Opposite action will be done because here it is being divided. It's division. On the other side of the equation it will be multiplied. So we can write it as py equal to qx. Alphabetically p comes first and y comes later. That's why we have written it as py. Now we can also write this like qx is equal to py. We are shifting their positions. X is equal to py. Here they are being multiplied. Q and x are, qx means q and x are being multiplied, but when it will go to the other side of the equation it will be divided. So it will be written like this, py by q. This is the answer. Next question is question number 11. Make p the subject in this formula h is equal to 7p minus 3. Here we are going to make p the subject. So the equation they have given us is h is equal to 7p minus 3 and we have to make p the subject. So how we are gonna do this? We will take the this minus 3 value to the other side. Here it is on right side the sign is minus, but we according to the algebraic rule on the other side when we will take it to the other side, the sign will be changed. It will be converted into plus. So h plus 3 is equal to 7p. Now we can write this like 7p h plus 3, and then for making p the subject, h plus 3 divided by 7, because here 7 and p are being multiplied. If we take the 7 on the other side it will be divided. So the answer is p is equal to h plus 3 divided by 7. Now question number 12. Question number 12 is a formula is given c is equal to 5a minus 2b. Find the value of c when a is equal to 8 and b is equal to minus 3. Here same they have given us an equation and they have given us the value of a and b, while we have to find with the help of the values of a and b we have to find the value of c. So the equation they have given us is 5a minus 2b, while a is equal to 8 and b is equal to minus 3. We will put the value in the equation. Minus 3, here it 40, and 3 2 times 6, but the sign will be plus because they are being multiplied. Here minus 2 and minus 3 mean in multiplication the signs are minus minus plus. So the sign will be plus, and the answer is 46. So C's value is, what is the value of C? Value of C is 46. Now question number B. Question number 12, part 2. Make A the subject of the formula. They have given us the formula 5A minus 2B. Here C is subject, but the question is they have asked to make A the subject. So we have to make A the subject. How we are going to do that? We will take this 2b on the other side of the equation. Here the sign with 2b is minus. On when we'll take it on the other side, the sign will be changed into plus. C plus 2b is equal to 5a. We can write this like shifting their position, C plus 2b. Now we have to make a the subject, so 5a means 5 multiplied by a. Now here they are being multiplied, so when we will take 5 on the other side of the equation, it will be divided. So C plus 2b by 5 and here a. This is the answer. Now question number 13. Question number 13 is multiply out the brackets and simplify. They have asked us to simplify. 5 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 4. So we will open the brackets. 5 2 times 10, 10x plus 3 5 times 15. Minus, here 2 will be multiplied with x, the answer will be 2x, and 4 multiplied by 2, 8. But here you can see, when it's important thing to remember is that when we open the brackets, if the value having the sign of outside the bracket, the sign is minus, then the signs inside the bracket will be changed. Here the sign is minus outside the bracket, so this positive sign will be changed into negative. So we will put here the subtraction sign. That is why, because before opening the brackets, the sign outside the bracket was minus. This is important algebra rule. Now 10x minus 2x plus 15 minus 8, that is 8x, because it's plus and minus. 8x plus 7 will be answer, because here plus minus minus, so we will subtract them, and the sign with bigger value is plus, so plus sign will be here. In case of 15 minus 8, 15 having positive sign, 8 having negative sign, plus minus minus, we will do the subtraction. The operation will be subtraction, but the sign with bigger value will be applied. Next, question number 13 and part B. Question number 13 part B is, an equilateral triangle has side length 2x. Write down an expression in terms of x for the perimeter of the triangle. Give your answer in its simplest form. So they have asked us, they have given us the length of one side length of an equilateral triangle. You know, the equilateral triangle is a triangle whose all sides are equal. That's why this triangle is called equilateral triangle. So if the triangle's one side length is 2x, so then what will be the perimeter? You know, perimeter can be achieved by adding all the sides. So all sides are equal because it's an equilateral triangle. So we will add the 3 sides, because a triangle has 3 sides. So what will we get? We will get the perimeter of the equilateral triangle. That would be 6x. You can also write this as, there is an other way. The other way is, you can also write this one side, total sides are 3. Total sides of the triangle are 3. So then, and one side length is 2x. So we can multiply it with 3 sides. The answer will be same. We get the same answer. You can write it like this or like this. It's up to you. Now the question number 13, B part part 2. Question number 13. A square has a perimeter of 20a. Write down an expression in terms of a for the length of one side of the square. Give your answer in its simplest form. Here they have given us the final perimeter of a square. They have mentioned. You know, square has 4 equal sides. So a square has 4 equal sides. Everybody knows, and they have told us that the perimeter of square is 20a. So how many sides a square has? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 equal sides. So this total perimeter will be divided by 4 because total sides are 4. So what we are going to have, the answer would be 5a. It means every side will have a length of 5a. You can also recheck it by adding them all. The answer we will get 20. That is the perimeter they have given us in the question. So the question answer is 5a. That is the length of one side. Now question number C. Question number 13 part B. Question number 13 part C. Question number 13 part C. The question is, the diagram shows a rectangle. Find an expression in terms of y for the perimeter of the rectangle. Give your answer in its simplest form. Here they have given us a rectangle. This side value is 2y plus 5 and this side value is 3y plus 1. So they have asked for the perimeter of the rectangle. You know, in rectangle the opposite sides are equal, so this side will be 3y plus 1 because it is the opposite side, and this side will be 2y plus 5. We will add up all the sides to get the perimeter. So the perimeter would be 3y plus 1 plus 3y plus 1 plus 2y plus 5 plus 2y plus 5. So we will separate all y values, 3y plus 3y plus 2y plus 2y, and then 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 5. So 3 and 6 and 4, 10y plus 12. And that will be the answer of this question.